How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be out on the CBR, but first I wanted to talk about something I picked up for a little bit of a flip for the channel and just kind of a flip for myself as well. I want you guys to guess what this is. I'm going to give you one little hint. It's purple and red and it goes on the water. So that's a pretty big hint for some people, but it is so ridiculously hot and I am sweating already, so let's get to her. Okay, I'm probably going to have the visor open for probably a lot of this video, to be honest, because it is still 30-some degrees out, which is, oh my god, it's ridiculous. It was like 40-some degrees Celsius today. I'll convert that to Fahrenheit. It was ridiculous. I had to kind of wait for the sun to start going down to go out for a ride. Sorry this upload is a little bit late this week. I was on a work trip for the whole entire week, had zero time to edit. I was like 12, 13-hour days the whole entire week. Did not really feel like doing much once I got back to the hotel room every day. Hopefully the audio didn't sound too messed up there. Oh, I forgot how good this bike sounds. It's nice to be home for the weekend. Be able to take the bike out. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go for a ride tomorrow and on the dirt bike and record a video for next week. So don't forget to drop a sub and drop a like so you don't miss out on anything. Turn on those notifications. Noticed a few people actually have them on, which is really exciting to me. Having people that actually care enough to be like notified when I upload it's awesome to me. Because I can tell. It lets me know what my videos are watched by. If they're like suggested, if they're a notification, if they're whatever it may be. And I get a few that are notification, which is cool. Go to the road here because it is ridiculously hot in this helmet, and I would like some airflow. Kind of get cooking a little bit. Give you guys a little sound clip because even though you've heard this bike hundreds of times on this channel, it's never hurts to hear it one more time. Oh, I can feel the temperature dropping already. I'm glad I waited till now to come out and record a video. At least it's enjoyable to be riding. Wear your gear, kids. I do not recommend wearing a muscle shirt. I honestly only realized that as I started gunning on it. I'm like, I am wearing a muscle shirt. That kind of gives me the EBGBs. I usually wear a riding jacket. I'll wear a t-shirt or something like that when I'm on the just cruising around town, but the minute I touch the highway, I usually wear a jacket. So don't do as I do, do as I say. Sounds so good. Oh, what a beautiful night. At least it's not ridiculously hot anymore. It's actually enjoyable. I know I said that already, but it is. What is that noise? I usually have headphones in, so you kind of hear noises that you don't normally hear. I know it's not a great thing. Stretch out. Oh, Oh, I'm bleeding. Weird. Mosquito bite maybe. Damn mosquitoes. They be out fierce with this humidity, that's for sure. I can't wait to get my other seat finished up. I took the seat cover off and then I bought like a layer of gel, like a square padding, and I put it on the seat. And then I'm gonna buy a new seat cover. And it's like a diamond stitching, which I'll throw up here. And it should look pretty damn good, be pretty comfortable. And then I'm thinking about getting riser clip-ons for this, but I don't know. I think it's gonna interfere. I'd have to do a little trimming, which I really don't want to have to do, but if it's gonna make it a little bit more comfortable for longer rides, like, yeah, there's no way. Even if I angle those downwards, there's no way that doesn't hit. I want to put a well, I was thinking about a 1-inch riser, but... Oh, hey! That was funny. He's like, I just thought it'd be comical to ride up beside that. Small town things, that's for sure. Probably go out and get a thumbnail here when the sun sets a little bit better. Hopefully my audio's not messing up. This damn thing won't stay on my helmet now. It's a nice car. Oh, that wind is still really warm. That's okay. A little rough. Tend to try to go the opposite way if I see someone with a baby stroller. The nice thing to do. Never know how sensitive to sound those kids are in mine. My exhaust is right here. So pretty ear level. I guess it's actually more ear level if you have the stock exhaust. Stock exhaust kind of comes up, curls a little bit. Or my Yoshimura did anyways on my IDK F4i. I wish that Yoshimura didn't get messed up. With a nice exhaust. Just side by side cruising. Somehow I caught up to this guy. This guy's cruising, that's for sure. Just taking his time. Oh yeah, you can smell that old carburetor burning. Smells amazing. It's kind of sad they took the skate park out. There's a skate park here at one point, but there is no longer. I think I'm getting a phone call, but... Oh, actually, it's my alarm to go out. Set an alarm. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go out at 8 o'clock. Set an alarm. Can't wait to get my stunt bike started. I've just had so much money going everywhere else that I kind of haven't really been able to put some money into my stunt bike. And it's kind of been thrown on the back burner. But that's okay. Still got the base there. It's ready to go anytime, so. Nice thing about an F4i is they're absolutely bulletproof. throw a fresh battery in there. There's some fresh fuel. Should fire right up. No question. Alrighty, where should we get a thumbnail? Go somewhere that the sun is kind of behind the house and bushes and stuff. Take a nice picture. We just go something like this with the nah, it's kind of lame. Oh, the roads are so rough in this town. It's ridiculous. I'm not sure. Sounded like a sounded like a damn NPC on a video game when you ask them a question, like a Quest video game. Not sure. Let's go out to the co-op. Get a cold drink, for Christ's sake. It is hot. You know, I am debating getting a Honda Rebel. I will never get rid of my crotch rockets, but I would honestly not mind a Honda Rebel. Then I'm still kind of getting the cruiser. I'd probably get the fairing one with the bags. And I'm still kind of getting my cruiser style bike, but I'm not, you know. I think a Honda Rebel 1100 would be, you can go to, you can just send the computer away to Mafia, tune it, and then apparently they'll do power wheelies. Apparently. I'm not saying that first-handedly or anything, but that would be pretty sweet. Okay, I'm running in for a cold drink. Okay, grab myself an Orange Crush. I usually try to stay away from pop. Stay away from the sugar. I like me a 0 sugar iced tea, usually. But they only had the Fuse ones, which I don't really like those ones, to be honest. I don't know if they have those in America, but I'm really in... I don't know if they have those in America, but I'm really interested in all the differences of snacks and stuff. I don't know why. There's a place that imports snacks from all over the world here, and it's pretty sweet to go in there and just buy like Kit Kats and stuff like that from Japan and all that jazz. It's actually really cool. I don't know, fundraiser of some sort going on there. Alrighty, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to drop a sub and a like. There's plenty more to come. Like I said, I'm sorry I missed this week's upload kind of by a little bit. I'm going to be obviously uploading on a Sunday. It's, you know, sorry, I worked, you know, 60 some hours in 1 week. It was a lot of work and I didn't really have time to record or edit or anything. So I'm glad you guys are willing to bear with me. So thank you for that. But yeah, like I said, don't forget to drop a sub and a like, and see you later.